Hey guys, welcome back to the corner, and we are doing another video of the giveaway entries. I got these last week and I was waiting to see if I got more. Sunday is going to be the giveaway date. There is one more that has not came yet, but I have seen the tracking and it's on its way. So I will be adding their name into the giveaway. They're international, so this one here is from Miss Judy Umplete. Ooh, and I have a postcard. I love that, Judy. Thank you. I like that background. And we have a tag. Oh, this is cute. I like that eyelash trim, Judy. Love that. That's cute. There's the tag. And we have an ATC. With a little Scrabble tile, it looks like. That's cute. I like your flower. Totally cute. Thank you, girl. I love those. I really like your postcard. Love you, girl. And this one is from Miss Sherry Habeen. I have pre-opened it, but I just haven't gotten the stuff out because I didn't want it to fiddle with opening it. And I guess I should have pulled it out. Let's see if I can't find my craft blade here. There we go. Make sure I don't cut myself. We're just going to cut it down. Like that. There we go. Okay. Oh, awesome. She sent me goodies. This is the ATC. That's cool. It's got like glossy accents or something on it. It looks cracked, but that's cool as heck. Like there's cracking in it. That's cool. Oh, flamingo! Love it. Well, love that. I love. Y'all know I like my flamingos. Love that you added that. I like that background too. So that's your postcard. This is a tag. Love that. Here's another tag that she made. And it says, "You inspire me. 500 giveaway. Love, Sherry." I love that background. That is, looks like an acrylic pour background. Love that. Here's another postcard. That's cute. So, the ones that have... Okay. So, even though this has a flamingo on it, it's for my giveaway, I am going to put that in my flamingo journal. So, anybody that's sent anything with flamingos on it for the giveaway, it's going in the journal. Oh my god, that's so cool. That's awesome. That is so cool. That is definitely going in the journal. I love that. And my pages are big enough, this whole thing will fit. Love it. Thank you, girl. This is her postcard also. That's so cool. I like that gold foiling. That gold leaf or gold foiling, or was that a gold doily? That's so cool. So thank you, Miss Sherry and Miss Judy. These will go in the bag with the rest of the entries. Oh, come on, get in there. There we go. So that is the entries for now. And I'll be doing a video update here later. Well, I gotta sneeze. Okay. Bless me. Whew, sorry about that, you guys. I'll do a video later today and upload it talking about the giveaway and things like that. So yes, I'm excited. We are excited. And the box has grown just a little bit since we started it. So it's exciting. And I really want to thank everybody who has joined us on this journey. And I can't wait to see where this year brings us. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!